Intro. Hey there, animal lovers and curious minds. Ever wondered why your cat sleeps in the weirdest positions? Or why birds perform elaborate dances just to find a mate? Well, you're in for a treat because today we're diving into the world of hilarious animal behaviors. I'm your name, and in this video, we'll uncover the reasons behind some of the funniest things animals do. So, get ready to laugh, learn, and maybe even see your pet in a whole new light. Main content. Let's start with the basics of animal behavior. Animals, just like us, have evolved to survive and thrive in their environments. Every action, no matter how strange it might seem, usually has a purpose. Sometimes that purpose is obvious, and other times, well, it's a bit more puzzling. Now, let's talk about playful antics. Have you ever seen a dog chasing its tail? Or a cat pouncing on a toy mouse? These behaviors might seem silly, but they serve important functions. Play helps animals develop physical skills and social bonds. For example, when puppies play fight, they're actually practicing hunting and defense moves. And when otters juggle rocks, they're honing their dexterity for opening shellfish. Speaking of otters, did you know they hold hands while sleeping? It's not just adorable, it keeps them from drifting apart in the water. This brings us to our next topic, odd sleeping positions. Ever seen a bat hanging upside down? They do this because their wing muscles aren't strong enough to take off from the ground. Hanging allows them to drop into flight instantly if danger approaches. And what about those contortionist cats? Turns out, cats sleep in weird positions to regulate their body temperature. Curling up conserves heat, while sprawling out helps them cool down. Now, let's chew on some unusual eating habits. Have you ever watched a flamingo eat? They turn their heads upside down and filter feed with their beaks. This unique method allows them to scoop up tiny organisms from the water. And what about koalas? They eat toxic eucalyptus leaves that would poison most other animals. Their specialized digestive systems have evolved to handle this diet. Last but not least, let's talk about quirky mating rituals. The bird world is full of fascinating examples. Take the bowerbird, for instance. The male builds an elaborate structure and decorates it with colorful objects to attract a mate. It's like building a house and furnishing it just to impress a date. And then there's the peacock spider. This tiny arachnid puts on a spectacular dance, complete with leg-waving and colorful flap displays. It's like a miniature Broadway show, all in the name of love. Outro. So there you have it, folks. The next time you see an animal doing something bizarre, remember there's probably a good reason for it. Whether it's for survival, socialization, or finding a mate, these behaviors all play a role in the animal kingdom. What's the funniest animal behavior you've ever witnessed? Share your stories in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more animal facts and fun. Until next time, keep watching and wondering about the wild world around us.